Hello everyone and welcome to Patty's Hobby World. Good morning. I hope you got what you're drinking. I have my coffee and today we are going to start a new coloring page out of Kirby's Rosanna's Geomorphia. As I promised, I was going to do a page out of each book that I have and see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed the butterfly and the peacock. And we're going to get started with this one. I'm going to try to begin to do some background work now. See if I can get some skill on doing some background. I've been concentrating just on the picture. And I'm going to try to do some background work. So it'll be new for me, and I've watched plenty of YouTube channels and watched all the commercials to try to get some inspiration and some skill going on how to do the background work. But I chose this picture. We're going to be, I guess this is deep in the Amazon or the desert somewhere. I've seen some beautiful ones. They did a night one with blue and neon blue. Came out really nice. I think I'm just going to, like I said, I like the natural look. So let's get started and let's see how far we can go. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. So we're going to take the book away. Oh, we'll just leave the book there for right now. So I got my coloring. Got a lot of sands, yellows, and oranges. So these are kind of the tones I'm going to be using for right now. So we're just going to put those, some tans, and see what we come up with. First, I'm going to try to do a overlay of everything because it's a lot of cream here. So I'm going to use my, just make sure this one's it. No, that one's not it. I think it's this one, but we're going to keep these out. These are my Tombow pens. I think this is more of the sand color. Yeah, this is more of it. So we're going to, just get some going in the lighter areas. It's okay, I will definitely leave some of the white because the illusion will create a lighter sand. Look. You see I'm not, because rocks do their own thing when the light hits it. It's just moving around the pen. And I don't know if you watched my coloring of the stone wall. It's one of my first videos. So we're going to try to bring out each and every one of these rocks so they hold their place in this folk picture here. And we'll bring that out as we begin to add more color. Add more color. This is just a quick wash. could have done this in pencil, but for the sake of time, it was probably just best to use a marker. Sorry about that. So just creating some color, because like I said, this is a lot. Oh, let me turn the thing down. Okay. This is a lot of work. All right, so you see how it's starting to develop? Just to get the base down. Oh, got my arm. On these pencils here. I went on Pinterest to get some ideas too. And of course YouTube, because I'm always on YouTube. It is one muggy day today outside, so I had the windows open this morning. Nope, got a little search and find there. This is phase one of the coloring, and that is to get your main colors down. I'm going to do these pillars, these broken pillars, a different color, just to give it some dimension. If I do it all one color, it'll look washed out. Although I could do it, but let's give it just a more different color, because they look like they're made of wood anyway. So we're going to do a little green. Found another one. Okay, let's leave that alone. There's a little rock. Let's get in between the ears. Okay, let me get up here. Okay, so we'll accent these. Not sure what that is over there. I gotta check. Okay, that looks good for right now. I can always go back with this pen again and begin to work it, and I will. You'll notice as we go to phase 2 and phase 3. Okay. So that's the start. Maybe unconventional for some. Some colorists would have got their paint kit out and just did a wash. But we're going to keep with the the tools that we have. Pencils, markers, watercolor, alcohol. Okay, how's that? Alright, let's see how that looks to you guys. That's going to be pretty nice. Oh yeah, that looks good already. Okay, I'm done. I am done. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Today is not the day for zooming. Let's zoom back out. Even that's not, there you go. I think it came in. All right. So now I'm going to leave that alone for a little bit. And then I'm going to get my next, let's see what this one does. This one's a little too orangey. The next one, let's try this one. I'm not ready for deep brown yet. And then let's see what this one does. This one's a little too orangey too, but it's better than, oh, you know what? I think I found one. I'm thinking about that one. And or, yeah, this one's too dark. So I think I'm going to be working with this one right here. So put the Tobu, and these are just Bic markers, alcohol markers, fine point. I've had them for years. So I like this color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the darker areas first, because we're going to do another third color. So just get the darker areas, and then we're going to do fine pencil. Now, like I said, this is your vision. Like I said, I've seen plenty of creations on YouTube channel and Pinterest, and they're all beautiful. I love looking at people's work, individuals' work. It says a lot about who they are, how they like to color. I love it. Okay, so I'll be doing this for the next 10 hours, but that's okay. I'm going to start here, work our way around. So you can already see the rocks are getting ready to come through. So you see that already? I worked down half the page. Remember, 3 colors, could be more, light, medium, dark, and then you just build from that. I'll come in with a finer pen to really touch. I'm just trying to get color down right now. We'll highlight this whole thing. Yeah? Just working these darker areas right now. I have my little tiny pen. That one. So see how that's coming along? You definitely check the experts out. Everyone has their way of doing their art. You tend to achieve the same thing at the end. The only thing is different is the person who's doing it. Oh, that was a piece of wood. That's okay, I can get it. Alright, so I'm going to continue to work on this because this is going to take a while. So there you have it, just so that you can see the difference already. Alright, so there you can see phase 2 of the color as I bring in my second color and how it's still a little bit more plain. Okay, let me see if I can zoom it in. Oh no. And I'm going to zoom her out. And we will see you on the next video. Stay inspired. Color, color, color. Please like and subscribe. And hit that notification button. Thank you.